The 60-inch Bachton is an energy-saving ceiling fan with a modern DC motor. Unlike traditional AC motors, DC motors use an integrated magnet to move the fan blades with more torque, all while using up to 70% less energy. The Bachton features a contemporary design with 3 deep espresso finish blades that will bring both style and air movement to any room. The fan is rated for indoor use and is remote operated. The 60-inch blade span makes it perfect for great rooms that are 20 by 20 feet or larger. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. First, turn off power at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Remove the 2 non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, remove the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. Feed the motor's wires through the downrod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the downrod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to tighten the ground lead, align the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Align and slide the hanger bracket over the screws, then tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove on the ball with the tab in the bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, downrod, and hanger bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire with the neutral wire from the box. Combine the black wire with the hot wire from the box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Tuck the wires neatly into the box. Slide the canopy over the hanger bracket screws and twist into place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Bring a fan blade up to the fan and align the holes underneath the motor. Insert and tighten 3 blade attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining screws. Align and twist the mounting plate over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Remove one of the screws from the mounting plate and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist the light kit over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Bring the glass shade up to the light kit. Then press and turn until snug. The installation is complete and the remote is now ready for setup. Begin by installing 2 AAA batteries. By default, the dip switch will be set to 0 for universal operation. Simply restore power to the fan and press the on-off button to start it up. The fan will oscillate back and forth upon each startup as part of its calibration cycle. If you are installing multiple DC ceiling fans, you will need to set the dip switch to 1 for paired operation. Restore power to the first fan only and leave all other fans disconnected from power. Within 30 seconds, press the pairing button. The fan light will flash on and off to indicate the pairing was successful. Repeat the process for any remaining fans, being sure that only the fan being paired is connected to power. Power can safely be restored to all fans once the final pairing process is completed. To reset the fan's programming, ensure the dip switch in the remote is set to 0. Disconnect power for a few moments, then reconnect the fan to power. Within 30 seconds, press the pairing button. The fan light will flash on and off to indicate the reset was successful. The on-off button toggles the fan function. Upon each startup, the fan will automatically calibrate the blades with a gentle back and forth movement to ensure they will consistently run in a balanced and energy-efficient manner. The plus and minus buttons allow you to increase or decrease the fan speed while the fan is toggled on. The Comfort Breeze button toggles Comfort Breeze mode, a feature that produces a natural feeling breeze by alternating between lower and higher speeds. Setting 1 alternates through speeds 1 through 3. Setting 2 alternates through speeds 1 through 6, and setting 3 alternates through speeds 1 through 9. The timer button automatically turns the fan and light off after a certain amount of hours have passed. You can select a 2-hour, 4-hour, or 8-hour delay. The reverse buttons change the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be toggled on before changing the direction of the blade rotation. The light button toggles the light on or off. The dimmer buttons allow you to increase or decrease the luminosity of the light. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. If you want more details or have any questions, call the number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.